neat. These are from Garvee. These are self-watering flower pots, okay? So there's 2 of them, of course, and I'm going to sort of show you how these work. So if I pull this out, you can see the water goes there in the bottom. And the way that this works is you're supposed to put rocks in here. So if you see, I have rocks in here, okay? And they go up to where those holes are. If you see those holes are down there, right here, okay? And basically, you fill this up with water. It sits actually on the ledges. You do have a ledge right here to get this out. And then this is your gauge. So as you fill this up with water, the water will come up where the rocks are and it will push this little hose up. That's right here. And that's how you'll know basically that there's water in there, enough to basically self-water whatever plants you have in there. I haven't decided what plants I'm going to put in here yet. But basically, this is the way it comes, so it's not together, you know? It comes like this. Pull this out. So it comes like this, right? And you put this in there, and then you install this little piece, right? And that's what I already did here. So really neat, very modern looking, nice and white and clean. I'll stand next to them so you kind of can see how high they are. They're kind of like up to your knee. Okay. But yeah, really neat. Very impressed. Check them out. I'm not sure what this is. This is supposed to go like that, maybe? I'm not sure what that is. Oh, look, you can put that on there like that. That's pretty cool. But yeah, you see, Max, really like it.